Do you know that some of the greatest writers in history started their journey by writing just a few sentences a day? Yes, it's not about how much you write, it's about showing up every day and building that habit. And today, I'm going to share why this one tip, writing every day, even if it is just a few sentences, can transform your writing journey. Hello everyone, I am Pagalavan, writer, writing coach, and writing service provider with more than 20 years of experience. When I first started writing seriously, I faced a huge obstacle: time. Life was busy, distractions everywhere, and honestly, some days I just didn't feel like writing. But one day, I decided to challenge myself. I told myself, Pagalavan, just write two sentences today. That's all. And you know what? I did it. Those two sentences eventually turned into paragraphs, then pages, and eventually entire books. That small daily habit helped me become the writer I am today. It wasn't about writing a masterpiece every day, it was about showing up no matter what. Here is why writing every day is so powerful. Keeps you connected to your ideas. Even if you only write a few lines, your mind stays in writing mode and you are less likely to feel stuck when you sit down to write more. Builds momentum. Writing is like exercising. You might not notice the impact of one session, but over time, the consistency makes all the difference. Reduces the pressure. You are not aiming for perfection. You are just getting words down. So, here's my challenge for you. How many sentences are you going to write today? It can be two, five, or even just one. Let me know in the comments below. I'm eager to see you goals. Before I go, let me leave you with this thought. If you want to be a writer, you must do two things above all others: read a lot and write a lot. That's a timeless piece of advice from Stephen King, emphasizing the power of consistent writing. So, write today, write tomorrow, and keep writing every single day. In the next 100 writing tips series video, we'll take this habit a step further with another essential tip: set a specific time for writing. Trust me, this one will make your consistency. Thank you for committing to make writing a daily part of your life, because consistency builds greatness. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writer Pagalavan, and share it with anyone who could use a little writing inspiration. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep writing.